gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Ewing, Percy, Doylestown, Birham, Bedminster, Flemington, Chalfont, Tinicum, New Hope, Dublin, Stockton, Washington Crossing, Fricks, Lumberville, Outsville, Sargentville, Pipersville, Gardenville, Sandbrook, and Arena. This includes Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 73 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Mercer, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.